Shibashi movements are designed to mimic the natural flow and rhythms found in nature, fostering a deep connection to life force energy, or Qi, that permeates everything in the universe, from the trees and the plants to the rivers to the insects. By imitating the gentle swaying of trees or the graceful flight of birds and the natural fluid motion of water, these exercises harmonize the body and mind with the natural world. This alignment helps to balance and invigorate our internal energy, promoting a sense of real tranquility and well-being. Practicing Shibashi allows us to tap into this life force energy, enhancing our physical health and our emotional state, leaving us feeling rejuvenated and deeply connected to the essence of life.